If your Snapchat filters aren't working properly, don't worry, it's often a quick fix. Start by making sure your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version via the Play Store. Next, restart the app or your phone to clear out any temporary glitches. Also, check your internet connection, as filters often need a stable network to load. Another important step is to ensure Snapchat has permission to access your camera and location, as some filters depend on these. If it still doesn't work, try clearing the app cache from your phone settings. Go to your settings, then apps, app management, or manage apps depends on your phone model. Then find Snapchat from the list. Tap on it, tap on storage, then clear cache. This will not delete your data but can fix bugs. If filters are still missing, your device might not support certain AR filters or face recognition features. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel to get more helpful tutorials.